tuh adik.
Iya.
Aduh,
Corona, tidak
capek
ada
dah karena
apa-apa.
corona ya.
Nggak ada
Iya.
apa-apa, Om.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Poppies Lane 1 and Poppies Lane 2, the most famous gang in Bali. During the pandemic corona and lockdown for Bali. If you want to know the condition right there, just keep stay in touch until the end of this video. Okay guys, for the first gang we will explore is Poppies Lane 1. And now we are in Poppies Lane 1. You see left side? There's the shop all closed. And the street is very quiet. It's very empty. And usually, before the pandemic corona, in this area is very busy people because they're doing some shopping, and in this area also have a lot small hotel. So in this area is very massive busy usually. But today you see on the video it's no people there, just very quiet. Even the shop is closed. And today is already 5 days Bali get lockdown. So you see, right side, left side, all the shop is closed. It's very sad, isn't it? This area is very famous because a lot Australians stay in this area, and also this area is easy to access to go to the beach. Just right down, you'll be reach the beach. I mean, it's Kuta Beach. Oh my god, it's no people. Just very quiet, all the shop is closed. Left side and right side, there is the shop. But behind the shop, there is a lot of hotel there. And usually, very lots of people walk around this area to do some shopping. Oh no! It's very quiet. There's no people there. Left side, big mall, but closed. Okay guys, from the Poppies Lane 1, we cross to the main street, we call Raya Kuta Street to turn right, and then we will explore Poppies Lane 2, the most famous gang in Bali, mostly around the world. People know about this gang. You see, even in Raya Kuta Street is no people. It's very empty. It's very bad. Okay, now we reach Poppies Lane 2. This is the gang of Poppies Lane 2. Empty? Oh, there's some shop is open. But who gonna buy? Because no people there. It's very sad, isn't it? This hotel at the front? Quiet. Poppies Lane 2 is very famous because in this area be in the heart of Kuta. So a lot of hotel, a lot of restaurant, a lot of shop, and easy to go to the beach, also to the night bar. Just exactly at the front Poppies Lane 2 we have some big of night bar we call Engine Bar, Paddy's Bar, Bounty Club, VIP, Apache, and else. You see, in the right side and left side, there is the shop is closed. And I don't know how to say, it's very quiet. It's no people there. Because no activity, no business, hotel is empty. And for sure, Bali will be more quiet than last month, before the lockdown. Ade, aduh ade.
Iya.
Aduh,
Corona, tidak
capek
ada
dah karena corona ya.
Nggak ada
Iya.
apa-apa, Om.
Aduh, ada yang satu ini, padahal saya sudah mandi, sudah pakai ganteng-ganteng dipanggil Om lagi. This area in Poppies Lane 2 is very famous. You see that? Lot of shop around here and restaurant. But you see, it's very quiet, isn't it? There's no people there. I don't know what I have to say. Left side is Korean restaurant. So what do you think about this gang at the moment? Yeah, for sure, your answer is very quiet. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. If you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell notification because I have more information about Bali. Okay guys, stay healthy, just stay home. Let me just be outside to explore about Bali. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Okay, bye-bye.